Now I need to actually open the chat. Yeah, kick. Okay, I think everything is live. Except this hair that's in my freaking face is also live. Good. Zara! 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 Hi! Good job on 80 pieces. I need to figure out how and why this isn't working. I'm gonna kick this hair in the fucking face hole. Ow. And streamer notifications. Boop. There's the YouTube link. There's the YouTube link. Ew, I hear myself on kick. There's the kick link. That's what I'm saying. Hi, Faith. Why is this being silly? Why is Chrome open? Hi, Faith. Hi. 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 No, you're amazing, Zara. Can we have a shout out for Zara, please? Stretch. Thanks to the stretchies. Hi, Zara. Hi, Faye. Hi, Davy. Davy, question mark. If I wanted to play with the deep voice, like just randomly mess around with it, how would I do that without freaking out? Twitch dying on you? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh god, kick is dying bad, I think. Is it? Don't worry about that. So I can just mess around with my voice. I won't do the chills voice like the silly face though. Eat, skate, fast, smoke grass. That's wild. Hey Sarah, what you up to? You having fun? Doing vibes? You're alive. Doing living. That's good. That's nice. Okay, Dummy. Oh. Taco is mean? Why is Taco mean? What did Taco do? Oh, the wall. Critical failure. Beans. Hi Prod. How you doing? Can we get a shout out for Prod, please? Prod's the person that made the overlay extension that my stream uses. They're really cool. What? Ooh. Whoa, smart people. Yeah, Prod's super smart. They also have a really chaotic stream that I think a lot of people's here would like. I did not read the tutorial. Shift while moving to that. That's a silly me. Oh, you can do that. Hi, hi. Hi. How are you? I am robot. About to sleep. Ooh. I I was I almost asked what you gonna sleep. That would be silly. Ah. Oh. God damn it. Yeah, this game is hard. And I have a skill issue. There it is. That's the guy. Ugh. What, how do you dodge those? Boop. I don't like chaos. I'm not. That's a freaking bold-faced lie. My. Ah! I forgot to jump. Beans. Ah. Ah. I have died. No, you whore. Zara, do you like beans? I like beans. Beans are nice. I like baked beans. I love baked beans. I hate these people. Is it xenophobic for a robot to hate humans? It is? Wow. I'll just assume they're not human then. Then it's not xenophobic. They're aliens. I didn't realize stream started so out of it. Hey, streamies. I suck. Ah, the Devi on the kick. What? Huh? Where am I? I have important question. What's your important questions, dummy? Good job, 103 pieces, Strummies. Good job, good job. Hmm. Ah, ah. grappling. Wow. No, where? Huh? Do you like beans and noodles, right? I do. I do. I do. I deeply do. Uh, Get up on 3 streaks, Strawmies. Hi, Isaac. Hi, hi, hi. Huh? Wah. No. Should try uh chili mac and cheese. What's chili mac and cheese? Wah. Bring out. Mom. Like mac and cheese, but you dump a can of chili in it. What's chili exactly, and why is it in a can? Because I was under the assumption that chili is meat, and meat is rarely in a can. At least the type of meat that I thought it was. Now, let's take a look inside. I like beans. I like beans. Oh, I pooped my mic. I'm sorry. It's like beans and sauce. I've never had chili before, I think. I had soy mince, which would be the closest thing to chili. I'm a ghost runner. I've been booped. Well, sorta. Meh. User deal. Chili's so good. I don't know how to spell. Oh, naruhodo. I'm oopid. You're not oopid. Just like me, you are smart slow. Boop, 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 boop. Would you consider trying chili mac? I would, but it's going to be a bit hard to make because I'm lazy. Zara, what you up to? Did we have Zara a shout out? I think we gave Zara a shout out. Freaking loser. There we go. That's where Debbie comes in. Debbie chili mac and cheese beans. Oh, tasty sounding. Thanks for giving Zara a shout out. Because you're cool, Zara, then you deserve it. Oh, we gave them one? Okay. Ah. Naruhodo. Wait for me! You heart! Oh, vieso. Mm, yeah, all the beans. Ah, I'm neurodivergent. I cannot run on the wall. Mm, A little too slippery, stinky looped wall. I have a Vintage Story collab today, but I don't want to play Helldivers. They're bad right now. Helldivers seems really interesting. I really gotta yoink Debbie's account at some point to try it. Boink. Oh. Boop. Uppies. Hmm. Ah, there. Wow. Go. Bip, bip, bip. Um, wanna watch me choices are hard. Choices are really hard, but playing Gam is a way better way to spend your time. I'm gonna cut this hair off of my face, I swear to God. This guy just said die. Continue. Watching me made use of better use of time because cozy. What if I talk in a silly way like, hey Strummies, you should play games. Hmm? I like beans. Hmm. Need a hair clip? I have 3 hair clips in my hair right now, and hair still exists. Hardcore parkour. That's what I'm saying. I forgot I could dash. Restart from checkpoint. Ah, restart from checkpoint. Where's the music? Hardcore is not going burr right now. Well, that one it's all true. Titanfall movement peak. True. Even with all its bugs, it's somehow still peak. Because its bugs somehow make it more peak. Duh. I die. I'm gonna lose my mind if this guy is my pet. No. Wait, do you not hear game audio? Oh, you don't. Duh. Nobody mentions that. Okay. Gaming device not connected. Of course it's not. Is it this one? Yeah, there you go. Huh? What? Where am I? I start from here again? Ugh. Need something to stem on. I almost just said a bad word. Not a bad word, but like a bad suggestion that was entirely comical. How? You cannot be serious, game. Fix that. Damn. Where's the freaking music? The game had good music earlier. Oh, Yaruhadio.
This is Zoe Avila of the Climbers Rebellion. If there's anybody alive out there, please respond. If there's anybody alive out there, please respond.
Thank God for checkpoint.
They were dead.
They are. They are. Except for her, it seems. No one will answer this broadcast. Trust me, I keep track of any potential assets. And a single, desperate survivor is no asset.
He said app. So she's definitely going to be an asset. Robot from Invincible? True! Actually, it might be the same voice actor. He sounds a lot like it. How? What? Am I ooped? Right. No, I'm open. No, you're smart slow. Movement in this game feels a little weird, but also slightly good. Finally!
MasterCard is patrolling the area. They may have located the main
No, it's definitely not the same voice actor.
No, but they can destroy it, like they did to most of the Cyberboy hardware.
You're a heart!
This is Zoe Avila of the Climbers. Please, can anybody hear me? Anybody?
This is...
I need to do squats. Squats time! Boop. Like if robot makes 20, smokes 20 packs. Wild. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna turn on music. This game decided to get rid of music for some reason. Well, or yeah, chip. Call, not call, yeah. On this one. Wait, no. Videos. This one. This one. There we go. Then I go over here. Turn off music there.
The Ghost Runner? Jack, you're awake!
Yes.
What?
How? We've been rebuilding you for months. We tried everything we could to wake you up, but you never would.
Boop. You're high. Mm-hmm. Boop.
If you were there when they came for us, it would have been different. We might have had a chance. What are you going to do? The
I'm
ship
a
is still sprawling
whore.
with keys.
Keys?
I'm a whore.
Oh, the Keymaster Guard. Bandits and thugs that Mara armed. Bandits and thugs that Mara armed and sent against us.
I'm going after her.
After
What?
the Keymaster? Alone? That's insane. But if anyone can do it, it's definitely you.
Where? Ah. Lisa! Hi! You're a dumb boy. What? Where the... I am lost. What? I'm so lost. Oh, up there. Nyeh.
You're gonna need someone to guide you and keep an eye out for threats. What do you say? Want my help?
Yes.
Boop.
Good. I need to move to a safer location and hook up.
Wait,
to
you
the
can do
network.
that?
I'll contact you once I
Follow
surround you
age?
here. Zoe out.
5 months, 11 days, 1 hour. Wow. Only 6 months. It feels like years. You high. You have. Can't believe Sarah follows me around. It's wild. I'm gonna kill everyone in this room. Specifically because they're human.
Do you really need the assistance of a failed rebel when you already have my help?
They fixed me.
Barely. I'd been waiting for them to properly rebuild you, but Mara cut their time
Boop.
short.
Why didn't you contact them?
The climbers? To what purpose? The poor souls never
I'm
stood a
gonna
chance against
call every
Mara.
single creature a
What you
whore if I
knew
miss
was
a
the
jump
only
one more
thing they
time.
could help me with, and they were already on it.
Wow. Hi, Sarah. I like beans. Ah. What?
The mainframe we're after used to run all of the Sector 5's operations. That's where we are, in case you were wondering. That's where we are, in case you were wondering.
I'm all the way back down here.
Seen on the server room. Hurry.
Can't it be accessed remotely?
We wouldn't be here if it could. Cyber Void has been fractured, broken into countless disconnected pieces. It's like
Oh my god,
water
the movement.
left over after the lake has been drained.
That's so hard. Baby meow. You're gonna call me a whore? I would never. If this game restarts me at this place again, I'm gonna cry. It was a freaking red herring. You can just skip this crap? You've got to be kidding me. Boop. I dare this game to restart me at a freaking stupid faraway checkpoint again. Boop.
Yes, this is it. Jump in.
Huh? Oh. I'm going into the frickin' ghost space again.
This place is where we'll find the means to fight our enemy.
What do I do?
Movement in this place is so slow.
To navigate the cyber void, in most cases,
Hi,
you'll just have
Gaz.
to focus
Hi.
on finding the right
Can we get a
direction.
shout out for the Kaz if any goobers are
After you're
here?
done with this particular jumble of code, you'll gain access to one of a Ghost Runner's most useful abilities.
Yeah,
Levels
I
into your
do.
protocols. That's what happens when amateurs mess with perfection. I
Huh?
need you to start putting in some effort. Luckily, it should come to you naturally. You were born.
Yeah, I forgot I couldn't dash. Huh? Oh. What? Oh! I see. What? We'll see. Nope. Back. I feel so eepy. Yeah. Yeah. Jeremy, can you please give Kaz a shout out? Pretty please. Hi, Kaz. How are you? You like beans?
Sometimes you will need to close in and attack simultaneously. Let me give you something to aim at. Focus. Visualize yourself in space. No, that's not the point. All at once. No, focus. Again.
What?
Again. Again.
What?
Again.
Enter blank mode. Aim the cursor at any. Oh.
Once more. Take a breath. Picture your destination. Go.
What? I'm so confused. What?
No. Again.
Huh? I'm so confused. This crap is so unintuitive. Huh? Look at that. How are you supposed to do that crap? What? Huh? 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 Okay, I guess that's how you straight through them all.
Line up for you. Adapt to their movements.
I see. Naruhodo.
You can even use this technique to cut through projectiles. Give it a try. Not
Yeah.
like this. Very convenient, is it not?
Oh my god, it's a 10-0. I am Excalibur.
Clean
Fear
up the
me.
stragglers and we can proceed. No. We've worked hard to reconnect this node to the network. If they destroy it,
What
we'll
the
be
heck?
affected. If they destroy it, we'll be affected. Let me put it another way. I cannot exist without Cybervoid. And you cannot exist. And
Yeah, I
you
don't
cannot exist
know.
without me.
You can hit the bullets. I'm gonna hit myself. That is a lie. Lock in, meow. Lock it or lose it, gamers, I guess.
bandits loyal to the Keymaster, used by her to keep the base under control. You can expect more competent foes as we move higher up the tower.
Thank God for them. They're gonna face the same level of incompetence as now.
Mara killed 100 Ghost Runners.
99 to be precise. But I'm it.
I like the restarts innocent or innocent instant. Yeah, I don't like the fact that that just happened. What the hell was that? The restart is innocent.
Can't shut you down again. Make no mistake. This fight won't be easy. At least it will be fair.
What? Where the? Is that all of them? That is all of them. Again. Yeah, I don't know why people say again. What are you gaining? Freaking sentience? I'm about to gain my freaking last bit of mental fortitude, I swear to Christ. What are you... A male zebra is called Zapants. Oh, because, you know, men wear pants because women look too hot in them. That makes sense. Hi, geek. Freaking dare kill me. Ah, finally.
That's the last of them. Time to get back on track.
Where to?
That's what I'm saying.
We'll need to use Amida Elevator Station. That's the fastest route by far.
Yes, game. That's 100% what I wanted to do.
Base is Dharma's foundation in more than one sense.
He was jank as heck.
Blood of the tower's economy.
Not the economy.
There were enough satisfy the needs of all the residents. Of course, the upper levels had certain privileges.
How much to scam? I don't know. I got it for free on Epic.
During Mara's coup, many of the facilities were damaged. Things have been in slow decline ever since. Nowadays, the area mostly serves as warehouses or gang hideouts.
Yeah.
A reminder of what Dharma used to be.
Very sad.
Home. A safe haven for the survivors of the apocalypse.
You built this whole place?
I conceived it.
Right.
Designed it,
I'm not listening to the guy
and
speaking at all.
I am the architect. Your optimization has improved, but it's far from perfect. We'll need to make another stop before visiting the Keymaster.
Wow. I don't trust this guy. Finally, 26 minutes for that mission? The Meow Master. Da-da, I'm a believer. I like being...
The sector's main factory complex.
Hello? Jack, can you hear me?
Nope.
Why, Jack?
Right. Right. You wouldn't know. It's a code name we used for you during the repairs. Diego said you were all jacked up when we found you and it stuck. Do you mind if I call you that?
No.
He's bricked up. I mean, beamed up. Beans. I am hitting the bullets. What, huh? I don't get what's going on. Beans. I am hitting it. I am hitting it. If you can blink midair, make falling harder. You can blink midair. Finally!
All set. All set. Together to compute. Once I plug in my Atma, I'll be able to monitor the communications. I'll be able to monitor the communications and keep you updated.
Can you monitor my state of mind?
Atma chip. The idea. Can you grant me access? And I'm in. Seeing the world from your perspective will make things much easier.
Thank you. Hi, Lilia. How are you? Hi. Do you like being? I want to eat because headache from playing Marvel Rivals. Whoa, Marvel Rivals bad game confirmed. I like being. Can I just like, can you even block those? Can you block the machine gun? Can you block the machine gun? Can you? Can you beans? Can the beans? Can beans? Can I beans? Beans can beans, right? Beans. I like beans. Do you beans? I really like beans.
So you're going up to Dharma City. Well, first you have to get through the base, and much has changed.
You can't blink past bullets. When you blink during bullets, you die. Oh, you mean the Q blink?
There is no law here anymore.
Yeah.
Keymaster's goons.
I thought you meant the dash. I'm silly.
Didn't obey.
Some of us didn't.
You had visited the base often in the past. Towards the end of our time, this place became overrun with criminals. Ghost runners kept them at bay. The ghost runners kept them at bay until Mara took over.
How's... Oh, I forgot to restart the thing. I accidentally clicked R. Game 2 restart reminder. No. I really want to get the timing right. Oh, almost got it. Okay, so he does not stop. I was trying to hit with the pattern. Whoa, that's a floor. Well, like, you like cutting bullets. It is sort of fun, but the timing is a bit weird.
These factories, everything they produce goes straight up to Dharma City. While the Keymaster and her lackeys live in luxury, we Basers work our fingers to the bone our whole lives and don't see any of it.
How do you survive?
When I was little, we were given basic provisions, but each year we'd get less and less. If not for the black market, we would have all starved by now. any master keeps taking while giving nothing back. Not much of a choice, really.
Efficiency of Dharma City hydroponic farms dwindles. Soon, even the upper levels will suffer.
I can't feed everyone.
Even if she wanted to.
Some
Wow.
decided to fight back. My parents, their friends. Saul?
She has
They weren't
parents?
afraid to speak up
That's-
against Mara and
That's her
Malignant.
first
But
problem.
things used to be different. The resistance started because some of us remembered the time before the Keymaster. Supposedly she wanted to unlock our chains, set us free.
And you're a whore.
Probably. Strange. The keys are nearly gone. Not regrouping at the usual locations.
Saul
They're just
Goodman.
retreating.
Why are we talking about Saul
Not
Goodman?
returning. Leaving. Most of the keys are local. Never go up there. This is unusual.
Naruhodo. You're a whore. You're a double whore.
Mara will never retreat. She's withdrawing her forces. It's only when she has a
Why?
to stop us. What way? If I could read her mind, I would still be running things around here.
I didn't notice that guy. I didn't notice that bullet. That bullet's tasty. I like beans. You can do that? Oh. He was starting to get to me. I swear to God, I'm hitting. Nope, I hate this game. That was kind of my like plan for the stream. But now I don't really know what to do. Beans. Wanna play Slay Spire together? Maybe. Maybe. I'm not really sure. I'm kind of really dead today. Did YouTube die? No, good. YouTube didn't die. There's just absolutely no one on YouTube watching. That's wild. Huh. My head hurt. BRB, okay. Thinking emoji. 12 out of 14 achievements. The others of which is insanely rare and almost impossible to get me within a short time frame. Actually, entirely impossible for me to get within a short time frame because the minimum amount of time required for me to get that stuff will be a 6-hour run. Or being extremely freaking lucky and getting it on a first chest. Of course, the thing I'm mentioning is the heart mimic. And then also, I think the... what is it? The other mimic. Also, my game data probably isn't carried over. I have 300 hours on Oisumi. Thanks for the hepatemi. Hmm. Hmm. Thinking emoji. I don't know what to do. What to do? What to do? I kind of don't want to play Slay Spire. No, don't want to play Trackmania. Don't want to play Noita. Don't want to play Balatro. Don't want to play Black Spit. Definitely don't want to play Haste. Kingdom Come New Lands kind of really sucks. Don't want to play Insider Trading. Don't want to play Barony. Don't want to play Enter the Gungeon. Don't want to play Dog Witch. I shouldn't open my store because Steam has been putting porn in my front page for some reason. Talos Principle makes me want to bang my head against the wall in a bad way. Redacted makes me want to do the same. Rotato boring. Insurmountable boring as crap. Nice to meet. I am okay, Debbie. I'm just really bored and don't know what to do. My phone being weird? Why is your phone being weird? Screw it, let's try programming something. And try not doxing myself. Challenge impossible. Boop. Projects. Why is Dolphin being really freaking slow? Open folder with Visual Studio Code. My PC keeps turning on and off. That is bad. It might mean you're overheating it. Boop. Ignore that website. Okay, let's do ng serve. I'm learning Angular for my website that I'm making, and the website very difficult. Very difficult to make. Very difficult to make website. Why is ng-serve not doing its ng-serving things? God, that freaking ring light is so bright. It's taking one down, and now my tracking is going to take a freaking nosedive. Localhost 4200. I should change my streaming category. Software and game development. Is there a similar category on YouTube and Kick? We shall find out. How do I change that on YouTube and Kick? Oh, there we go. Go over here. Streaming software. Game title. I can't find a category for coding. How? You know, screw this. No title. No game title. Oh wait, there's different categories. Category of science and technology. Technologia. Wow. Okay, now Kick. I really gotta write something to just change this category all around. Is this it? Wow. Okay, I think that's it. So, this is a really simple thing that I made. It's just a thing that lets me move around this tab. That's everything. That's all I made. It has an embed, but the embed's broken at the moment, and I haven't bothered fixing it yet. So let's do that real quick. This is the embed. Href this. I don't know how to create a new component. Angular. Add new component. Child. How to create a child component using Angular CLI. That's not what I'm asking. Wait, maybe. No. I just started first time today. It shouldn't be temperature. Strummies, if your temperature is like, if your heatsink or anything is just clogged up, hell, if your fans isn't working, your computer can overheat up to like 200 degrees instantly Celsius. It's why you physically shouldn't start a computer without a heatsink on, or without a heatsink and a fan on. Why music on? Now check CPU temps. Okay, so press Windows key, type in Task Manager, open Task Manager, go to Performance, click on CPU, and somewhere there it should say temperatures. No, it does not. I am silly. I don't know. The PC wouldn't turn on for more than 3 seconds, so I could. That is not good. Does it blue screen? Does it just turn off? If it just turns off, it could be power supply or it could be CPU. Let's see. Instructor. A constructor? Huh? This doesn't make sense. Also, this music freaking sucks. Jesus Christ. God. Oh, well, it doesn't suck, but it's making my brain go burr. I'm gonna search copyright-free music, and I swear to God, if I get AI, I'm gonna cry. I don't want a guy telling me the best copyright-free music. I want copyright-free music. Let me? Huh? Come out, find a project. Not what I want. Reusing Angular component. No copyright sounds. Oh. Let me check that website. Or channel. Okay. Screw off. God. Screw off. Use them as BGM. Ooh. Naruhodo. Could they be any less freaking... I'm gonna cry. And yes, I'm fine, Debbie. Let me check something. This is the button. That's the button, okay. Add a reference to it as just button. Button wrap. Button wrap.native. Okay, let's see if this works. Perhaps. L.show window is not a... What? Open window, not show window. What do you mean show window? Oh, there it is. I'm blind. Okay, so it finds that. So now we do L dot. It's not. Oh, whoopsie. That's not supposed to be there. It is a button, HTML button element. Hello, hi Lavra. How are you? Element dot add append child. Method of the node interface adds the node at the end. Okay. Window. Missing the following properties: base child, blah 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 blah. Angular append component to div. Hi Hazel. Hello. Lovey dovey. Right. How do I... Okay, so this one needs a constructor. Constructor. And child new window. Narrow question mark. New window. What does this return? Nothing. Yeah. Yeah. Beans. I'm so lost. Okay. Make component a child. Make component file, blah blah. It's the app loader. I don't know anything about Angular. This is like really new to me. Component ref. Okay. Then private window ref 2 equals new component ref. Angular component component ref. Beans! I like beans. I'm so lost. Beans. Beans, 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 beans. I like beans. I like beans. Beans. Okay. Oh. Okay, so apparently this might work. L.instance. That's already not working. I'm so gonna beans. Imports window. Window dot instance dot I'm gonna cry. Okay, const comp equals this dot L button ref dot create component window. So that doesn't frickin' work. Okay. If this dot button ref return. I'm gonna lose my mind. L dot create component. I'm so confused. 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 Why does Reddit not have the answers for me? Okay, let's try this. div. Actually, why do I even want to make it in this thing? Just make this here. Div. Place here. Place here. What I'm making website. Div. HTML div. Element. I'm gonna lose my mind. Okay, let's try this. View child. Selector. Place here. Read. Okay, why do they use view container ref here? Whatever. Is workies? No, it's not workies. It's hobby. Container. Wow. Who just followed? Hi, it's Mew Mew. Thank you for the follow, whoever that was. You are coding? That's so sick. I like beans. Thanks. Hi, Wayne's World Rocks. Finally someone understands my language. Hi, Pex. Thanks for the follows. There's a lot of people suddenly. What the heck? What are you, Devin? I am trying to figure out how to make a dynamic component in... and what the hell is going on? Why is there so many people? Oh, we have an... Beans. I appreciate that. What is going on? What is happening? I'm so confused. What? Y'all mousing over my screen? What you mousing at? Just a disclaimer, I do see that on my stream, or on my screen itself. Okay, here. I will now showcase what the crap this thing is about. Just remove this button. Boop. Okay, it's airing out a bit, but this is basically what I'm making. It's just gonna be my own website. Yo! Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. I miss dev work. Where are y'all from? Oh my days, Uncle. Posture check. Thanks for the posture check. And the stretches and the... Does anyone here... Wow, hip hats. Thanks to the hip hats, Jerry. Why y'all mousing? What you mousing at? That's not supposed to happen. Okay, so Jesus Christ, why is there so many Mises on my screen? And clicking. Okay, any smart people here know how to create a or how to append a component to another component, or append a component to a div? Hey, no clicking on my breasts. We found out what it does. Mouse plugin is so cool. I'm glad you like it. You can click on my head to hip at me. Dear me, I'm lost. Oof. If I'm using a custom Python script that I made to display the cursors, but the browser or the Twitch extension. Okay, anyone that clicks on my freaking breasts is gonna get booped, I swear to Christ. Alex, hi! Thanks for the raid, Alex. Hi! The... not the gyro. The extension was made by this cool person called Prodsapod. They're really cool. Pax. Pax? Alex, hi! Hi, Alex. Okay, so nobody knows how to add a component to a div. Nobody. Absolutely no one. Nobody at all. Okay. Ah, tinnitus. Welcome in, welcome in. Hi, Alex. How was your stream? Is my... No, it's functional. Good. Ah. Hi! Hi, hi, hi. How was your stream? Did you have fun playing Trackmania? Wild. Okay, wait. Thinking emoji, thinking emoji, thinking emoji. Place here. Dang, hi! I'm still wondering where the one came from. But... Hi. The window wrap. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. Alex! Hi! I did get caught up on shorts. Shorts? Alex, if you have to raid and run to take care of yourself, drink some water, eat some food, anything like that, please do. Okay, I need to figure out how to do it. Also, welcome in, Raiders. My name is the Mimi. I do the silly, like, programming sometimes. And beans. I like beans. You all like beans? I really like beans. Beans are so cool and awesome. Okay, let's try this. We'll make a function in here. Bye, Alex! I'm a read and run. Get ready for baseball with wife. Oh my god. I hope you have fun. That sounds awesome as heck. Let's put this way at the bottom. Create component. Oop. Const comp ref equals this dot contain. No. Why this? I'm so freaking confused. Jail, what you feel? Why is Angular so freaking overcomplicated? It spreads. Bulbanar. Bulbanar cool. I'm so lost. Why is Angular? Okay. Have an ID to uniquely identify dynamically assign instead of having hard-coded ID. Do I hear lo-fi Sonic music in the background? I have no idea. I started streaming on YouTube, so I'm gonna have to not get banned. Oh yeah, I also started streaming on Kick. So I'm just listening to random music. New component draft. Component created by Component Factory provides access to the component instance and related objects. Provides the mean of destroying an instance. Yaru. What is the inputs for this? Get instance. Component reference. Hi Hazel. Change detector. Component type. Destroy, undestroy. Component factory. Do I use component factory? Component. Deprecated, I assume. I'm gonna lose my mind because nobody online knows what the hell I'm talking about, I guess. Oh, hey. You cannot be freaking serious right now. Can you make reusable components? No, just hard code new component. What do you mean? This cannot be real. Okay, let me try it their way, I guess. Because apparently you can't dynamically freaking add components. Because that's... Yeah. Reusable code? What's that? Huh? I failed. Hey, Trev. This one. What? Title. Minesweeper. Okay, that works. Oddly, weirdly. Good. Now then. Hide window. I could do something silly. This is gonna be a really stupid way of doing it. Hi, Hazel. Do I even need that? I don't. What was I doing? I forgot. Show window. Component. Why did it auto change my thing? thingy. I don't know. Why did it auto change your thingy? Okay. I need a better button for this. Add a button. Show Minesweeper. This is temporary button. Unclick. We do show window with the event. We'll do the event of. We definitely need the event, that's for sure. Then we'll do the reference to it. Mouse event. Then we'll need the Minesweeper window. Then a reference string equals string. But not terminated. What? Why? Okay, it has to be single quotes, I guess. That makes no sense, but whatever. Const window ref equals view child of type element ref with a type of window. And no, do not make a freaking thing out of that. What? Unsupported call to view function. This function calling we called initializer of a class member. Well, screw you too. Why is my thing freaking out? You slapped? What? Annoying. Okay, const Minesweeper ref equals this crap. You gave it away. Oh, not const, I'm silly. Minesweeper? Yeah. Thingy I coded. That I'm putting in embed. Yeah. Then we'll do Minesweeper. How do I do it? It needs to be native element. Const L equals Minesweeper f dot native element. Why does that? Oh, it's not a function. No, why does it error? Ah. Why does it still error? Yeah, that's a function apparently. Makes sense. We'll be mousing around. Hi. F L return. Hi. Ah, hep hat. I like hep hat. What was I doing? Oh yeah. L dot style dot. What do you mean that's not a thing? Ah. Show window. Then I go over here and give show window an input of XY, which is a type of X number, Y number. And then I'll do X is equal to E dot X, Y equal to E dot Y. This is a really dumb way of doing it, but you know. Then we'll do yum, 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 yum. Okay. Wow, effects. I should get like I need to choose my words very carefully. I need to get a vibrating head strap that lets me know when I have a headband. Equals L dot top offset top. Right, headbands. Minus xy dot y plus x. We'll duplicate that. Blah. Maybe I sus. I'm not sus. You're sus. Surely that works, right? Wait, where's the... That button isn't working. She is the imposter. Yeah, throw me out into empty space. I would love that. Kill me. Why am I logging L twice? Real. Undefined. Why? Why are you undefined? Why? 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 Wah, a patch. Let me just yoink this real quick. Minesweeper window. 6, 7. I could go. Sorry, huh? Why are you undefined? Stop being undefined, you silly goose. I'm so confused. Why? Why? Let's just yoink this. Minesweeper raft. Element. Meh. Why isn't the back electrical? Surely nothing bad will happen. Wild. Can't access property, show window, element is undefined. What the hell? Why is this undefined? 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 I'm so confused. Why is this undefined? Does this not work for these? Why are you undefined? Screw up, I'm not doing squats right now. Ref dot development, that's... I have been wanting to play Jackbox party packs recently. I got 2 of that, which is crazy. Angular reference component. Aww. Raise a signal of array. View children. View children. Darkman's not bad either. Too much drawing. Too bad at drawing. I'm gonna lose my mind, I swear to God. Why is Angular so freaking bad? Jesus, oh my God. I have half the mind to do this in base CSS. Or not base CSS, base JS. And everyone on freaking Reddit seems to be using an entirely different program or freaking language than I am, because I swear to God, they don't make any sense. After an algorithm, huh? Track was it? Okay, let's try this stupid thing. At view child. As a okay. NG. What do you mean? That doesn't exist. That doesn't exist. That doesn't exist. What do you mean? I literally imported it myself. I almost just used a slur in this test. It doesn't exist. This freaking thing sucks. Patently. I want to try patently stupid and talking points. What? Okay. Let's try this way. View child. Minesweeper window. Set. Minesweeper. Wait. Apparently I have to do this. Content any. Do if content okay, so that loads it. As a window. Dot I'm losing my mind. Show window. Okay, y-axis undefined. We'll do 0, 0. Wow, okay. Now, there we go. This dot Minesweeper window dot show window x is equal to e dot x. Y is equal to e dot y. This must be an object or an array. Why? Trying beans console.log y yx xy dot y xy dot x l dot style dot top l dot style dot left. Why? Why? Losing my mind. Why? It's not working. Why? Why is it not working? Thanks for the headpad, Stampy. Right. Thanks to the headpad, whoever the orange person was. Show window. Wow. Hey, Pat. Hey, Pete Penguin. How are you doing? Why? Why? Hello, user 5 PP5. Hi, Kenny. Hi. I was just forced to eat something and I'm eating. Wow, thanks a head pat. Bye, G. You were forced to eat something? Happy birthday, Kenny. Hi. Get your 195 streak. That's wild. Honestly, when you say you were forced to eat something, I immediately think you were being a brat, and then someone is like, you have to take care of yourself. Is that what was happening? Right. Yeah, sounds about right. Display none. All done. Wait. Okay, good. L dot style dot display equals unset. Why? Why? Eating and most of the time it just ends in people telling me I can't go through the whole day with just coffee. I mean, if they're right, they're kind of right, you know? Unless they're left, then they're left. I'm gonna lose it. It doesn't work. It doesn't freaking work. Why? Why does it not work? I'm so lost. Why can I get rid of it but not bring it back? Hide window. Okay, so that doesn't affect it at all. Why? Okay, let's do... What does this give me? Okay. I am losing my mind. Huh. I hate Angular so much. Why does it suck so much? Okay. Let's try this. Implement after view init. At viewed. Why are you erroring? I hate Angular so much. It is such a garbage framework. I have never used anything more garbage in my entire life. I'm gonna scrap this entire project and rebuild it in React because React actually has more than one brain cell put behind it. Why do people use this garbage? Angular.dev. Docs. Components. You provide Angular specific information for a component by adding exclamation mark component decorator on top of the TypeScript class. For full details on writing Angular templates, including data binding, event handling, and control flow, see the template guide. Bind dynamic data to text properties and attributes. This is garbage. Variables and templates. Grouping elements with ng container. Slotting child content with ng content. Additionally, show, hide, and repeat elements. Let me try something. Hello, person clicking around the screen. But toggle equals false. If toggle there. If toggle, we do window, app window. Nope, let's yoink this one because I don't want to rewrite everything. That doesn't even work. That's a boolean. It's a boolean that's false, yet it's still active. That means Angular sucks, and it's a bad framework. You see this? This is a shown window. This is not supposed to be here. Why is it here? I can't tell you, because Angular is dumb. This dot toggle equals false. Whoa. Show Minesweeper does nothing, even though it's supposed to disable it. Whoa. It's almost as if it doesn't work. Oh my god, who would have guessed? Is this a skill issue? Mayhaps. Is it my skill issue? No, it's whoever developed this garbage. It says right here, if A or B, if statement something, then do something. It bypasses that if statement. Why? Why does it do this? Why does it do this? Someone please tell me why it does this. Is that what is wrong? Oh my god, it's that. What if I put it to true? Then it's shown. And then I hide it. Oh my god, it's working. That is wild. Can you believe that it's working? I sure can. Wait, Oni and Ghostface. Wow. Now I need to figure out how to actually toggle it off. Let's do this. On. How can I let an event through? Type in emitter. Event emitter. Using components with the output directive to emit custom events synchronously or asynchronously and register. Oh. New. Test. Why is this not working? Let's check the stupid documentation for absolutely no information on this. Okay. Well, an Oni and a ghost face. Wow. You did mention there is 2v8 going on at the moment. Okay, let's do this. Toggled equals output void scrub. Why is this erroring? Output dot emit this dot toggled dot emit toggle. Then we do hide window. Hide window. Toggle equals false. This dot toggle equals false. That didn't work correctly. Why? Hide window. This dot toggle dot emit. Ah, here it is. Perfect. I can now hide and show the stupid piece of crap. Okay. Okay. Thinking emoji. Styling, which I really don't want to do right now. I kind of don't want to do anything. You know what would make this night even better, even more frustrating? Drinking. Luckily for me, I have a tiny bit of sweet rosé right next to me. There we go. Sweet rosé. Glug glug. tastes really bad. Hmm. Hi, Faith. How are you? Of course, it's Dead by Daylight. I'm good. How are you? I'm vibing. No, I'm not. I'm losing my mind. Thinking emoji. Let's make a background. Programming does that. It does. It makes me want to commit a crime. Surprisingly, only one of them. Okay. I need a grid. Background grid. Grid. Maybe a dev with a class of grid. Then I go check out the CSS of this crap. Grid. Display. Now, how does grid work? CSS grid. Hi, Debbie. Where are you going? Thanks for that, that's cutie. Hi. I'm trying to decide on how to make a grid. I would need to make sure each item aligns to a specific position. Let's do desktop entry. Let's add an icon. Which should be an image. I'm silly. Do I have any images I can use just temporarily? Pictures. Let's use this one because I actually drew it. Public, no. Is there an assets folder? Been booped. You're cute. I like you, Debbie. Assets folder. Whoa. Let's paste this, or even just copy it in. Sort. Source. Assets. Spring. Last name of... Class of... desktop logo. Not desktop logo. Width of 5 pixels. No, let's make that 20 pixels. Height of 20 pixels. Heister means. Where the heck is that? Ads, I'm sorry. Cannot load the image. Why? Do I have to reserve it? I can't respond, but you're gay. Wild. Insanity. Why is this not working? It's not building correctly. Why? Why is it not building correctly? Dot slash assets trying PNG. Failing to get it. Why? Why? Why is it failing? Why? Angular. Okay. Angular.json folder. I don't know why that's erroring. Angular.json. Assets. What? Property asset. Hello, Nero Liminal. How you doing? Welcome in. What do you mean? Why is this not accepted? Let's try the exact strap that this person's using. You able to do stage? I could, yeah. Nero Liminal, where are you joining in from? Are you a nerd? Why is streamer mode not enabled? Frustrating, 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 frustrating. Let me know if that works, Stremies. Chances are it's not gonna. Now let's reserve and hope for the best. Oh my god, it worked! That's wild! Image resolution? No. Of course, I mean. I doubt this is gonna work. Yeah, I thought so. That's odd. Did I not give the image the desktop? I did. How curious. How do you forcibly resize an image? And why is it not? Is it getting overwritten? What the? It's not. It's not working. Why? 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 I'm in the wrong. I'm so silly. Where is? Here it is. Okay, that works. Okie dokie. I think about 75 would be a good amount. Okay. That's fine. No, don't save the web page. Oh my god. Now then. Desktop entry. Okay. I need to make an array of all of the entries. we'll do desktop entries equals just an array. Or not an array, an object. Need BRB? Take your time, Starmine. Let's make the first one what is this thing exactly? Like, it's not an array, it's an array, right? Yeah, it's an array. I am silly brain right now. Logo would be source assets. Right.png. And is that path dummy? Title would be right. Then we'll do head pad at 4 what would it be here? Desktop entries of entry of what is it called? Desktop entries. How did they do this one? Angular. Okay, so it's for item of item.name track dot title. There you go. Then we'll make a new this. Then we'll do source would be desktop entry dot logo. Otherwise this. Okay. And let's make a paragraph. Title. Hello, person that's hovering over my screen. I haven't seen your ID before. Not working. Why? Hi, Tabby. Why is that erroring? Why is it suddenly erroring? I am very confused. That is why it's erroring. Or it's not why. that works. So this works. Desktop entry dot logo. Okay, that worked for some reason. Thinking emoji. How do I get the index of this? Heard that I can do track index. That would be quite useful. Okay. Yeah, I'll use this later. Naruhodo. Okay, we'll do place icons, place shortcuts, index, number, L, HTML div element. Okay. Place shortcuts. Div. Const div equals absolute confuzzlement. How would I do this? On load. Oh, there we go. What does it return? It returns this, and it returns an event. We will do place shortcuts. What do you mean? Console.log L. Let me try this. Does not seem to be working. Animation end, box, cancel, can play, change, click, close, copy, queue, drag, drop, empty, ended, focus, form, input, key down, load, loaded metadata, load start, mouse leave, mouse over. WebKit. Nope. Not doing squats right now. Whenever that specific event is delivered to the target. I think I'm too tired to go on for today. We're gonna end stream here, everyone. I'm really EP. Mega tired. I haven't even been drinking my wine. That's so sad. Look. Bye, Faye. I think I might be allergic to this wine. Makes me feel weird in a bad way. Like a headache as well. I kind of want to raid Mahan. That'd be a nice raid. I see also Kaz live. There's also a Zara. Welcome back, Stormy. You're just in time for our raid. Haven't I raided in a while? Oh, it's Uncle Tim. BRC later today? I am not sure. Maybe. Let's rate the Zara. Zara hung out in the stream earlier. Bye everyone. It's been a fun and interesting stream. If anyone is interested in joining us for the raid, you can type in meow meow raid, or you can type in Mimi Pie Bulbanor. If it'll load. Mimi Pie Bulbanor, followed by Mimi Pie Bulbanor. If why is this breaking? Mimi Pie Bulbanor Trans, followed by Mimi Pie High Raid. And you just repeat that a few bajillion times until you have Beans. Beans are cool. Do y'all like beans? Anyhow, everyone. Thank you for showing up. I love y'all. If anyone's interested in joining Discord server, type !Discord or redeem the Discord redemption, and you will be DM'd the link. If anyone on YouTube or Kick wants to join my Discord server, go to my Twitch and redeem Discord. Bye bye, everyone. Thank you for existing, and I'll see you next time, okay? Goodbye.
Two whole trunks to put.
Oh my god, I can fucking put my goddamn crap in here. Holy fucking shit, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness.